With the time I've spent with the Freebeat Boom Bike, I finally get it. I finally get why people get addicted to spin classes, because this is the most convenient and fun I've had in a long while when it comes to exercise. The Freebeat Boom Bike, this budget-friendly, stationary indoor exercise bike is a great alternative to what most would compare to Peloton. And if you're looking for an engaging, interactive at-home indoor cycling workout, this is definitely the one to consider. As I've started working out and focusing on improving my physical health and fitness, aerobic exercise is definitely my preferred way of exercising, especially running outdoors. But more times than I want, my days get very busy, the weather gets bad, and depending on the time of the year, it gets dark very quickly. Another area I personally struggle with is the prep before exercise with a proper warm-up, which has caused injuries for me. Worse has got to be the days when I get no exercise done, and the guilt that comes with the setback is not something I like at all. And again, for all the struggles I have in staying consistent with my workouts, this bike here has answered the call in keeping me consistent, have more fun when working out, and reduce the risk of injuries, and help take my running and exercise to the next level. Let's take a look at the top line features and my experience with it, from the good, the in-between, and also what could be better. Firstly, the packaging and assembly is excellent. It took approximately no more than 15 to 20 minutes to assemble, and Freebeat supplies all the tools you need, and the instructions are clear, easy to follow, which I very much appreciate. Once assembled, the bike feels solid, looks great, and has a dynamic light strip at the base, which you can control to match the beat of your workout. The color of the bike I have here is the mist gray, and you can get it in Arctic white and Tuscany yellow. Tuscany yellow. I actually like the sound of that color. Considering my living space, I really like the compact footprint of the boom bike. It has wheels on the front, a strong but yet lightweight frame, which makes it easy to move around and fit into places I want and need for exercise. The boom bike itself costs £699 and covers a maximum weight limit of around £300. And considering I'm of a height of 6 foot, it holds in place very well when in the groove of exercise. And I think for anyone up to the height of 6'7", you should be good. One of the standout features of the boom bike is the 15.6-inch HD display, which has a fully rotating touchscreen and a 10-point multi-touch capability, power and volume buttons with built-in speakers. Now, considering the price point of the boom bike, the display is more than acceptable, but I would say a bigger size would help make it more visually immersive when exercising, and also a high quality display panel, as the image quality when off axis can seem a bit washed out. Apart from that, the display allows you to easily navigate through the various workout classes and options available on the boom bike. The interface is smooth, fast, and responsive when using the touch interface, and reduces any friction you have when getting to the workout you want. And before we get into the fun part of the workout, if you've made it this far, then be sure to like and subscribe. In terms of workouts, the boom bike offers over 500 on-demand indoor cycling workouts and off-the-bike workouts, including strength training, stretching, cross-training workouts, and more. Although you have loudspeakers built into the display, there are also built-in Bluetooth available to connect your favorite earbuds or even louder speakers if you choose to do so, and of course, built-in Wi-Fi as well. Here's a look at some of the classes available on the boom bike.
Freebeat, welcome. How are you doing? So excited you're here. Listen, I want to do this with you. And so we're just going to start nice.
What's up, you guys? Nicolette here. I got a short, sweet 15-minute hip-hop playlist waiting for ya.
The workout experience alone is what makes a difference for me when using a boom bike, because it's so much more fun than I even expected, from having all the different trainers motivating you, giving you instructions, and also the gamified nature of the workouts, which gives you points, a leaderboard system, and encourages you to stay on the beat with the music, which really makes the 15 or 30-minute workout sessions go by so much quicker. And trust me, you work up a sweat. Even with that, I personally wish there were options for 45 minutes or 60 minutes continuous workout sessions. And considering the gamified nature of the workout classes, sometimes I personally find myself focusing on hitting the points of the beat or focusing on the instructions of the trainer, but not always both. Being able to also adjust the straps on the pedals cage for a better fit and security, the auto resistance feature, which will dynamically match the intensity of the exercise you need, alongside the smart saddle seat, which knows when you're sitting or standing. You can manually adjust the resistance yourself with the resistance knob at the center of the frame. And the display interface shows you which resistance level you're working at pretty much in real time. Considering these are features you would find at double the price of some other exercise bikes, this is brilliant. I also appreciate the 2 included 3-pound weights, which add another dynamic to your workout and extra value to the boom bike. I like the height adjustability of the seat and also the front handles with the leveled numbered markers on there, which is very useful if you have more than one person using it, as they can actually remember the numbers for their height setup. I will say, I wish the front handle rotation tightening lock with the height adjustment for the front was easier to secure in position and twist, as sometimes it is hard to put in position. That's more of a minor feedback from what is overall a very good, well thought out design. For access to all the classes and trainers and features, the boom bike requires a £35 a month all access subscription, which allows up to 10 profiles per account. This gives you access to all the workout classes and features available on the boom bike. What's good is you have the option to ride without choosing a class with a trainer if you want to go at your own pace and rhythm with different scenery and beats to pick from. Having access to such a fun, small footprint, low profile indoor exercise bike has fundamentally changed my everyday exercise routine. And there I say has been a life changer in elevating my physical fitness. Overall, the Freebeat Boom Bike is a great option for those looking for an affordable and high quality at-home indoor cycling exercise experience. It offers a wide range of workouts and features at a fraction of the cost of a Peloton bike. And it doesn't take up anywhere near the amount of space other exercise bikes would. Check the description below for details on where you can get the Freebeat Boom Bike, and also use my special link in the description below. And thank you to Freebeat for partnering with me on this video.